Hi there! Do you know that the human body has approximately 800 skeletal muscles? Within their complex ranges and complicated structures, we will answer the question that what are the 3 types of skeletal muscle fibers? But before that, let us talk about 2 simpler classifications of muscle fibers first. The skeletal muscle fibers are classified on the basis of 2 things. Number 1. Is their oxidative state. Number 2. Is their twitching activity. So, what is the oxidative state? The oxidative state is the body's condition with respect to oxygen availability. If there is oxygen for the muscles, we call it aerobic condition. If there is no oxygen for the muscles, we call it anaerobic condition. On this basis of oxygen availability, we say that the body has 2 types of fibers. We have red fibers and white fibers. The red color fibers are due to the presence of myoglobin. Myoglobin is a pigment that is reddish in color, so that is why the fibers appear red due to the higher concentration of myoglobin in them. Myoglobin acts as a store of oxygen within the muscle fibers. So, the red fibers have more work in the presence of oxygen, and that is why we name them aerobic muscle fibers. And one more important thing is that the red fibers have a high number of mitochondria. Mitochondria have the capability to generate energy in the form of ATP. So, the ATP production of these muscle fibers is high. And if you are looking for an exact amount, then it will be a net of 38 ATP per glucose. The main mechanisms through which it will produce ATP are Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. So, what are white fibers? Well, they are all opposite to the red fibers, so you can just note down all the properties of red fibers and oppose them to make white fibers. The white color is due to the presence of less myoglobin. If there is less myoglobin, then it means that they require less or no oxygen, and hence they will be called anaerobic muscle fibers. If red fibers had more mitochondria, then white fibers must have fewer mitochondria. This means less production of ATP. To be exact, it is 12 ATP per glucose molecule, and they will produce ATP mainly by the process of glycolysis in the cytoplasm. Next question will be, what is twitching activity? Twitching activity is due to fiber twitch speed. Now you must ask, what is fiber twitch speed? Fiber twitch speed is basically determined by a muscle fiber's concentration of the enzyme, which is myosin ATPase. Then, what is myosin ATPase? Well, it is an enzyme that splits ATP and releases free energy. This energy causes the twitching. Now, there are 2 types of twitching muscles: fast twitch and slow twitch. Fast twitch will be when there will be more activity of myosin ATPase. And slow twitch will be its opposite. Fast twitch will use ATP more than slow twitch. Let us draw the whole picture now. These are the muscle fibers. Their parent classification will be: firstly, oxidative, so red fibers that are highly oxidative, so let us put H and O here. White fibers are low oxidative, so let us put L and O here. Then twitching. Fast twitch represented with F and T. And slow twitch represented with S and T. Let's make the three main types of muscle fibers from these parents. First will be high oxidative and slow twitch. So, HO and ST means host. The second one will be high oxidative and fast twitch. So, HO and FD means host. The third one will be low oxidative and slow twitch. But these fibers don't exist. So we will be moving towards low oxidative and fast twitch. So, LO and FD means loft. These are the three main skeletal muscle fibers. We will discuss them all together now. The host is the one that is red. Anaerobic. The host has a lot of ATP, but it does not use it that much. Think of the host as a miser person who has too much money but won't spend it. These muscles are usually found in the neck and lower back, which allows to maintain an upright posture all day long without collapsing with fatigue. Now, hoft is also red anaerobic and has a lot of ATP. But it also has ATPase enzyme. So it splits ATP too much. We can say that hoft is a good spender of energy. These fibers will be seen mostly in legs, as the legs are an important part of the body for movement. So they help us in preventing fatigue. If we walk or run fast, hoft will help in good endurance. You may touch your legs after a long run, and you will definitely feel the twitching yourself. Lastly, loft are different from the above two types. Firstly, they are white. Then, they are anaerobic. But they are quick. They don't produce as much ATP but likes to spend it as much as they can. They are like spendthrifts of the modern world. Won't earn much, but will spend much. Loft fibers don't seem important or much useful. But this is not true. Loft fibers get things done faster. Say, you want to reach the office early, but loft fibers are less in your body. You will get tired walking in 5 minutes only. So, that was all about the three main types of skeletal muscle fibers and how they produce and break down ATP. We have host, high oxidative, slow twitch, which are the miser ones. Then we have hoft, high oxidative, fast twitch, which are spenders. Lastly, we have loft, low oxidative, fast twitch, which are spendthrifts. Keep watching our videos to learn about medicines with daily life examples.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.